Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you cannot use this app because it is restricted. So guys, if you're trying to use some apps on your Apple device but you're unable to open them and you see this pop-up that says restricted, you cannot use this app because it is restricted. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the solution is very simple. You have to simply open settings on your device and then you have to simply scroll it below and go to general and then scroll it below and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again, go back and go to language and region and tap on country region and select your country or region correctly. After this, go back and scroll it below all the way and go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and go to content and privacy restrictions. And if the restrictions are on, you have to simply turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So I simply turn it off, and after this you will be able to use any app on your Apple device without any restrictions. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.